Hey everyone, this is Coach Julio. Some of you may be fortunate enough to have a resistance band at home with the handles, and I'm going to show you a couple of exercises you may not have thought of. So let's get right to it. And by the way, these are excellent exercises for warm-ups, for interval training, and for injury prevention. We're going to get these muscles here on your side, which are very important, for knee health, quadricep medius. All right, so here's an X walk. You may have seen this before. I go on an angle, 1, 2, feet underneath. I cross, now you're an X-Men or X-Woman, you're a superhero, Marvel Comics. Get some tension, shoulder blades back and down, and I step out, 3, 2, 1. Notice my stance is wide so I can keep tension. Many times people bring in their feet and they lose the tension. So start about hip width apart, maintain it. If you want more, pull these guys up. And there's that, that's exercise number 1. You may say, hey, I got that down, can you give me another challenge? Sure. So from here, you can do foot fire. And then, you can hop foot fire, 5 seconds each direction. By the way, you don't have to go side to side. You can go forward, forward, forward. Make sure your toes point forward, back, 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 and avoid the excessive lean. Last exercise I'm going to show is a traditional push-up with a band. What is that going to do? It's going to give an eccentric phase to it. That doesn't make any sense. It's going to emphasize the eccentric phase. All that means is that as I'm coming up, I'm going to have more tension, and that's where I'm going to get my biggest gain. All right, so it's not just a gravity part. Hopefully this won't wrap around my neck. We're good, Liz? All right, so before I go down, we're going to show Food to Fitness Feline in the sun. She loves sunbathing, UFO videos, and classical music. 12 years, diabetic cat. Inspiration. So I go down, 3, 2, 1, and then I'm up. I can go lower, 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 and then I'm up. So you do that about 10 to 12 reps. You create the tension on the band. You can fix it so you make sure that it's secure, put a towel around it, and you're good to go. Don't forget to post your comment and stay safe.